one of the big artists in the world, let's say a Taylor Swift or like a Drake, is gonna sign a 9-figure, 10-figure deal, $100 million deal, billion-dollar deal with like a Spotify. A deepfake is only a deepfake until you sign the contract. You sign the contract, it's not a deepfake anymore, right? So now they're gonna allow a Spotify to scan their music library and let everyone generate their own Taylor Swift songs. Let everyone generate their own Drake songs on demand. You just go, and text prompt, I want a Taylor Swift song in the style of this. I want a Drake song in the style of that. And it's not a deepfake anymore because they've allowed it, right? But now this is gonna water down or create this like flood of like user-generated overexposure, just like this Jake Paul scenario. But then it might increase the value of when they come out with their own authentic, actual music, or seeing them live. The value of seeing them live might go up because we've been flooded with the AI-generated version of their content. So who knows? This is the uncertain new future with like content and social media that where we're headed.